Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a pumpkin pie squishy. Because Thanksgiving is tomorrow, I thought it would be really fun to do another Thanksgiving video. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Just so you guys know, I post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. By the way, I do have a cold, so my voice may sound a little bit funny in this video. I have finally reached 500 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support to this channel. I really appreciate it. I can't believe I'm already halfway to 1,000. It's just crazy, and I'm really excited. And without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so before we start, we're just going to go over to my slime and squishy supplies area. I'm going to go ahead and pick out my squishy supplies, but as always, first we're going to go ahead and say hi to the guinea pigs. So here are the two piggies, Snickers and Cinnamon. They are both really sweet. I'm going to show you guys a couple of clips of them having floor time earlier this week. Snickers was hiding a lot, and I was trying to get her to come out using a carrot, but Cinnamon managed to grab the carrot out of my hand. Cinnamon really loves food, and she'll do whatever she can to take it out of my hand. Moving on now, I'm going to go ahead and pick out my squishy supplies. These are the paint colors that I'm going to be using. So for the pie, I'm going to be mixing some orange, white, and brown. And for the crust, I'm also going to be mixing some brown and white. We're also going to be using some different types of brushes, as well as some memory foam. So first, we're going to start off with some memory foam. I got this out of a memory foam pillow I found at Walmart. My memory foam is really thick, so I'm going to go ahead and carefully cut it in half. Now that the memory foam is cut in half, I'm going to go ahead and cut this into a triangle shape. You want to make sure you cut this in small snips. The smaller snips you cut, the better shape it will be. So after cutting the memory foam, this is the shape that I have. I am going to go back over with my scissors one more time just to make sure there's no rough edges. As soon as all of the edges are smooth, we're going to go ahead and start painting. Now for the crust, I'm going to go ahead and mix some white and brown paint. Make sure not to add too much brown paint or else it will be too dark. As soon as you have the right color all mixed, then just go ahead and paint the crust on the back. Using a smaller brush, I'm going to go ahead and paint a thin line on the sides. So now for the pie filling, I went ahead and mixed some orange, white, and brown paint. It took me a little while to get the right color, but eventually I got it. As soon as you have the right color all mixed, then just go ahead and paint on the pie filling. As soon as the paint on the top is dry, then just go ahead and finish painting the crust on the bottom of the squishy. So here's the Thanksgiving pumpkin pie squishy all completed. It turned out really nice and soft, and I think it looks really realistic. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And again, I post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. You guys, I can't believe I'm already halfway to 1,000 subscribers. I am just so excited. Really quickly, I want to mention I'm not going to be able to post next week. We just have a lot of stuff going with Thanksgiving, but I will be posting the week after that. And I do have an Instagram, so if you guys would like to check that out, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. Bye! See you in the next video!